Imagine a sunny orchard brimming with vibrant orange trees, their branches heavy with ripe, juicy fruits. This is where the journey of your morning glass of orange juice begins. Tangerine from cultivation to harvest, and finally to the production of refreshing orange juice, every step is a blend of tradition and modern innovation. Let's explore the fascinating process that turns these golden fruits into one of the world's favorite beverages. The cultivation of oranges thrives in warm climates, especially in regions with plenty of sunshine, moderate rainfall, and well-drained soils. Brazil, the United States, and Spain are among the top producers of oranges globally, with Brazil leading the way in orange juice production. Orange trees are typically propagated from grafted seedlings, which combine the best rootstock and scion qualities for resilience and fruit quality. These trees prefer slightly acidic soils with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5, enriched with organic matter. Regular irrigation is essential, particularly during dry periods, but care is taken to avoid waterlogging, which can damage the roots. Fertilization plays a crucial role in ensuring a bountiful harvest. Nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and calcium are vital for tree health and fruit sweetness. Integrated pest management practices are commonly employed to protect the trees from pests and diseases, ensuring sustainable and eco-friendly production. Oranges are typically harvested when they reach full maturity, as they don't ripen further after being picked. Harvesting is often done manually to ensure minimal damage to the fruits. Workers carefully pluck the oranges from the trees, leaving a small portion of the stem attached to prevent bruising. In large-scale operations, mechanical harvesters are sometimes used, especially for oranges destined for juice production. These machines shake the trees gently, causing the fruits to fall into catch nets or onto padded grounds. Once harvested, oranges are transported to processing facilities, where they undergo a series of steps to transform them into juice. The first step is washing the fruits to remove dirt and residues. They are then sorted to ensure only the highest quality oranges proceed to juicing. The juicing process involves squeezing the oranges to extract their liquid. The juice is then pasteurized to kill bacteria and extend its shelf life. In some cases, the juice is concentrated by removing water, making it easier to store and transport. Before packaging, water is re-added to restore the juice to its original state. Packaging is designed to preserve the juice's freshness. Tetra Pak cartons and bottles are commonly used, often sealed under vacuum to prevent oxidation. This meticulous process ensures that every sip delivers the natural flavor and nutrients of fresh oranges. Oranges are a fascinating hybrid fruit, originating from ancient crossings between pomelos and mandarins. Brazil is the world leader in orange juice production, contributing over 50% of the global supply, with Sao Paulo standing out as the epicenter of this industry. Amazingly, a single orange tree can yield up to 400 fruits per season, showcasing its remarkable productivity. Orange juice is cherished not only for its refreshing taste, but also for its impressive nutritional profile, being rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural sugars, making it a go-to choice for boosting immunity and energy. Oranges and orange juice are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Fresh oranges are enjoyed as snacks or in salads, desserts, and marinades. Orange zest adds a burst of flavor to baked goods and sauces, while the juice is a favorite ingredient in cocktails, mocktails, and smoothies. In savory dishes, oranges pair wonderfully with meats like duck and pork, adding a sweet and tangy note. Candied orange peel is a delightful treat, often used in confectionery and chocolate making. From the lush orchards where they grow to the glass of juice on your breakfast table, oranges embody nature's brilliance and human ingenuity. Whether enjoyed fresh or as juice, this fruit continues to brighten our lives with its vibrant flavor and incredible health benefits. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the fascinating world of agriculture and food production. Let's celebrate the journey of every bite and sip together. Glowing Star Tangerine.